How to change a 2010 GMC Terrain 5-button flip key remote battery. Now here's Sergeant Locksmith to show you how.
Let's change the battery out on our GMC Terrain 5-button flip key remote. For this task, you will need a flat tip screwdriver and your battery, which is a CR2032. Easy task to do. Pop your blade open, and if you look, you'll see you have the seam line where the two halves. You've got that diagonal cut, which this is the bottom piece. Just place your thumb in there, push down, and the back cover pops off. Take this flat tip, you notice there's an indentation over here, put it right in there, and you want to lift up to pop it out. These right here provide the spring tension. Here's your CR2032 battery. Go ahead and slide it back in, and you notice it goes under that little lip right there, and when you get it in, push it down, and it should lock in with the other tabs. Go and put the back cover on. There you go, you've changed it out. Hey, thanks again for watching, and let's be safe out there.